Dahil back to school na tayo, huwag nating kakalimutan mag-Milo breakfast every day.
Maraming salamat po sa Milo.
So alam natin na para maging champion in life, dapat nasusuportahan ng nutritious energy.
Physical literacy is an essential factor on the part of our learners for effective learning and to have a very good result outcome.
We're back in sport.
Hi everyone, I'm Jacques Lizardo.
Hey everyone, my name is Jamie Lim.
Thanks naman.
So make sure natin na dapat kumakain ng masustansya yung ating mga anak.
Sa mga bata, kailangan request din natin kay nanay ang breakfast everyday, yung tamang breakfast, at samahan natin ng ating Milo, okay?
I'll make sure na nabibigyan ko sila ng sapat po na breakfast with their favorite chocolate drink, which is the Milo.